Hey guys, today we're making the ultimate chocolate chip cookie recipe. These are so amazing and perfectly gooey and soft in the middle and set on the outside. They are so yummy and so easy to make and don't take up too much of time. Okay, so I've started off by putting the batter. Make sure your batter is softened for this. Your sugar and your brown sugar. Now, this is very important as it will give the chocolate chip cookie a nice flavor. The vanilla. Then I'm going to beat this together with an electric mixer until it is light and fluffy. It will take around 5 minutes to beat. Once you're done beating it well, you can scrape down the sides of your bowl. And at this point, I've added in the egg and I'm going to beat it again until it is well incorporated. Once again, you can scrape down the sides of your bowl. Then I'm adding in the flour. You can add it in all at once. The cocoa powder, the baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And you're going to beat this with your electric mixer again, just until it resembles wet sand. We just want to mix this together to make it easier for us when we're forming the dough. Then you can add in your chocolate chips. And then you're going to go in with your hands and you're going to mix this together. Now keep mixing this and it will eventually form a dough like this. Then you're going to take your baking sheet with a silicone baking mat and place that over the top. Then you're going to take a small amount of your dough and you're going to roll it into a ball. And keep making this until all your dough is finished. Now this dough does make around 20 chocolate chip cookies. Then you can add in the chocolate chips over the top just to give it a nice look. And of course add extra chocolate. Then you're going to bake them in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes only. Do not overbake these as they will harden. And they won't be soft and gooey in the middle. As you can see, they will spread out, so make sure you don't overcrowd the sheet. Once they're done baking, give them a few minutes to cool and then you can enjoy. These are so amazing to eat and will go perfect with a cup of milk. They're so soft and gooey in the middle and perfectly set on the edges. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.